What's up, you Floop? Today we're going to be putting a pair of off-road spotlights on the Bronco's A-pillars using these brackets. Here and here is going to go on each side of the Bronco. Let's go ahead and get started. First step is to remove these two Bronco bolts here on the cowl, and then we're going to pop this off and run some wire underneath it to get over to the battery. And then we're going to put our bracket on, and then we're going to put our spotlights on top of that. I completely jumped the gun in necessity for time here. So basically, this is the installed finished product. We pop the cowl off here and you run the wires from our two little lights, and you pretty much tuck them back in here. So once you remove those Bronco bolts here, you just pop off this section of the cowl. You can slide right under. And I'll show what that looks like underneath the hood. What I did in my particular instance here is I took the two wires from the spotlights, I routed them down through and in here, and I basically connected it to a single wire. So you can kind of see some electrical tape up there. I don't think I can get the camera in there, but they both connect right in there. And then I take one singular wire, go across the entire Bronco, and what I do, along with this side, you get a little bit better view here. Here we have our wires, and it kind of just, same concept, feeds right in. And what I did was basically ground them here, and then connected it to auxiliary 4, which is the brown wire. See if I can pull that out. And so we have our two wires basically coiled up, coming in, and then the spotlights are working. Let's give a little demo what they look like. Jump into the Bronco here. And what we'll do is we'll not start the engine, just put on the auxiliaries, turn off our headlights. And basically you can see here, this is kind of the view. So I don't even see the whole one side, I just see the one. And then on this side, I see the two over there. So if we go and flip aux 4, boom. Nice, good, direct spotlights, fully adjustable. Move them up, down with a couple of different, locations here. And then we adjust the little bolt and nut on the back. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the A-pillar light install video. I'm gonna test these out a little bit later to see how they are at night. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions or just in general comments, please throw them below. That's great. I'll try to respond to them when I see them. And thanks for watching. They look a little different. It's illuminating the hood mostly. Might need to bring those ones up. See what it looks like without the lights on.